Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure latest version of the Grafana Enterprise edition on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to Grafana official website, it is grafana.com. Then click on these three horizontal bars, then click on docs. Then see here we have different editions: Grafana OSS, Grafana Cloud and Grafana Enterprise. In this video I am going to install Grafana Enterprise. So click on Grafana Enterprise, then click on Setup, then select the Install Grafana, then select Debian or Ubuntu. Now install from apt repository or install by downloading Debian package. In this video I am going to install by using apt repository methods. See here we have Grafana Enterprise and Grafana Enterprise Beta, or Grafana OSS and Grafana Beta. In this video I am going to install Grafana Enterprise. So we have to run these commands one by one. Copy it, then open terminal. See, it is installing this apt transports HTTPS. Control A. Now we have to import the GPG by running these three commands. Now see, if you want to add stable release, you have to run this command, and if you want to add beta release, you have to run this one. As I told you, I am going to install stable release. So copy this one, paste it, hit enter. Now don't run the fourth one. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update. It is done. Control A. Now install. See, if you want to install Grafana OSS, we have to run this command. If you want to install Grafana Enterprise, we have to run this command. So sudo apt install Grafana Enterprise. See, we have successfully installed. Now first we have to reload the daemon. So copy this command, paste it. Now verify the status of the Grafana server. Sudo systemctl status Grafana -server. See, Grafana server is installed, but it is not started and disabled. So start it. Sudo systemctl start Grafana -server. Now enable it. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status Grafana -server. See, Grafana service is enabled and it is active and running. If you take it, Control A. Now connect to Grafana. Click on the sign into Grafana. See, default username and password is admin. Okay, both is same. All are in small case. Now we have to use this URL to login. New tab, localhost, port number 3000, hit enter. Not only localhost, we can also use loopback IP, hostname or IP address. Now provide the username, it is admin, password also same, admin, then click on login. Now it is asking us to set the password. If you don't want, skip. I want to set the password. That also you can set. Then click on submit. See, you got the Grafana dashboards home. Okay, now see here we have different options: bookmarks, start, dashboards, explore, drill down, alerting, connections, and administration. Okay, we go to administration, then you will have the users and access. Click on users. See, we have this user. If you want to change the password, click on this one. Then you can change the password by clicking on the edit button. Okay, if you want to disable or delete users, you have to click on them. Okay, now we are going to connect PostgreSQL and MySQL. Then click on these connections. Then click on add new connection. Then search for the data sources. I have already installed MySQL and PostgreSQL. If you want, you can search for my channel how to install MySQL and PostgreSQL on Ubuntu operating systems. Select the data source connection. Then click on add new data source, MySQL. Then in connection you have to give localhost and port number 3306. Localhost, port number 3306, username, then provide the password of the user that you have provided here. Then click on test and save and test. See, database connection okay means successfully connected. Okay, now again go to data sources. See, here we have the one data source. We will connect PostgreSQL server. Then click on add new data source. Then search for PostgreSQL. Again give the connection details. Colon 5432 is the port number. Username Postgres. Database Postgres. Username Postgres. Then provide the password of this user. Then come down. Then click on save and test. See, database connection okay. So we have successfully connected to data sources. Now we'll see what will happen if you stop the Grafana server. Go to terminal, sudo systemctl, stop Grafana -server. See, in the background, network error with attempting fetch resource. If you reload this page, see, unable to connect. Okay, now start it again. Sudo systemctl, verify the status. See, Grafana server service is started. If you took it, now reload this page. See, we got the dashboard. So if you want to connect to Grafana server service must be up and running. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart Grafana -server. Now reload this page. As I told you, you can also connect Grafana by using loopback IP, IP of the machine, or host name. Okay, loopback IP is 127.0.0.1, port number 3000. See, we are able to connect. Or you can give the IP instead of this loopback IP. Or host name. Here host name is, copy this host name. Then give the port number 3000. Then you have to give 3000. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install, configure Grafana Enterprise Edition 13.0 on Ubuntu 24.04. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.